Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start exercise number 9.2 question number 4. Let's start the statement of question number 4. Find the area of quadrilateral region ABCD. All the measurements are in centimeter. Students, here is a quadrilateral given to us ABCD. We have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. Students, as you can see that this quadrilateral made up of two triangles. First is ABC and other is ACD. Okay students, if we find out the areas of both triangles turn by turn and we will add both of them, we can find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. But how we find out the area of triangles ABC and ACD? By using our heroes formula. As you can see students, that in part 1 they gave us the measurements A, B, C, D, E, and here in triangles we are needed the measurements. For ABC we need ABE, we have all measurements. For triangle ACD we have measurement of CD as well as of E. So we'll use heroes formula turn by turn to find out the areas of triangle, and in last we will add both areas to find out the area of quadrilateral. Let's start our solution. Students, A is equal to 19, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 15, D is equal to 20 and E is equal to 23. I told you earlier that area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. First we will find out the area of triangle ABC. For triangle ABC, for the application of heroes formula, first we will find out the value of S by using formula A plus B plus E, because the triangle ABC consists of the measurements A, B, E. So we will use measurement of A, B and E. Now students, by putting values of A, B and E, 19 plus 12 plus 23 divided by 2, the sum of three values is 54 divided by 2, we got S is equal to 27 centimeter. Now students, here is our heroes formula for our triangle ABC. Square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus E. Square root 27 into 27 minus 19 into 27 minus 12 into 27 minus 23. As you all know that 19 is a value of A, 12 is the value of B and 23 is the value of E. After subtraction we got the numbers 27 as it is into 8 into 15 into 4. Now students, when we multiply all this number we got 12960 within a square root. Students, now we take square root of 12960, we got 113.84 centimeter square. I will show you the working of square root at the end. So students, our next triangle is triangle ACD. For this triangle, first we will find out the value of S. S is equal to C plus D plus E over 2. Why we are using measurements C, D and E? Look here students, our triangle ACD has sides C, D and E. So we will use the measurement of C, D and E to find out the area of A, C and D. Now by putting values of C, D and E, 15 plus 20 plus 23 over 2, sum of 15, 20 and 23, we got 58 divided by 2, S is equal to 29 centimeter. Now students, we will use our heroes formula for triangle area ACD is equal to square root S into S minus C into S minus D into S minus E. Now students, we will write all the numbers within the square root. We will write 29 into 29 minus 15 into 29 minus 20 into 29 minus 23 within a square root. Next we will subtract the amounts. So we got the numbers square root 29 into 14 into 9 into 6. After the multiplication we got the number 21924. After its square root we got our answer, which is 148.06 7 centimeter square. It is area of triangle ACD. Students, I will show the working of square root at the end. Now students, we have to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD. I told you earlier that the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Now we will add both the areas. 113.84 centimeter square plus 148.07 centimeter square. We got 261.91 centimeter square, which is our answer. Friends, here is the working of square root for our triangle ABC. Here is the number 12960. Here we add 3 pair of zeros to find out the answer. So next step is to pair up the numbers. From the whole number we will make pairs from right towards left, and after the decimal we will make pairs from left towards right. Here we make pairs of 1, 29 and 60. 1 ones are 1. After that 29 will be written whole. Then 21 into 1 we got 21. 21 9 minus 21 we got 8, and we will write down the whole pair, which is 16. Now 223 into 3 we got 669. After the subtraction we got 191. We will write a pair of zeros down. Then 2268 into 8 we got 18144. After the subtraction we got 956. I also add a pair of zeros to it. Now 22764 into 4 we got 91056. After the subtraction we got 454400. Here we have 227681 into 1 we got 227681. After the subtraction we got 226719. As you can see students, that the division process is not ending, so we will round off the numbers up to 2 decimal places. We got our answer 113.841, approximate equal to 113.84. Friends, here is the working of square root for a triangle ACD. Here we have numbers 21, 9 to 4. Here I also add up 3 pair of zeros. We will make pairs. After pairing 1 into 1 we got 1. After the subtraction we got 1, and then we will write next pair, which is 19. 24 into 4 we got 96. After the subtraction we got 2324. Here we have 288 into 8 we got 2304. After the subtraction we got 20. Here we will write 2 pairs of zeros because 20 is smaller than our divisor. So 29606 into 6 we got 177636. After the subtraction we got 2236400. Now students, we will multiply 296127 into 7 we got 2072889. After the subtraction we got 163511. As you can see students, that this process is also not ending, so we will round off the answer up to 2 decimal places. We got our answer 148.067. We will round off up to 2 decimal places, so we got 148.07, which is our answer. Now students, here is our part 3 of question number 4. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2.5, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 1.5 and E is equal to 3.5. Now we have to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD as same of question number 4 part 1. Here we will firstly find out the areas of two triangles, then we will add in last to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Firstly we will find out the area of triangle ABC. So students, let's start. For triangle ABC, first we will find out the value of S. S is equal to A plus B plus E over 2 by putting the values of A, B and E. 2 plus 2.5 plus 3.5 over 2, we got 8 over 2. S is equal to 4 centimeter. Now students, here is our heroes formula for triangle areas ABC is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Students, here is our heroes formula for the area of triangle ABC. Square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus E. Now we will put the values of S, A, B and E. Square root 4 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 2.5 into 4 minus 3.5. 5. After the subtraction we got square root 4 into 2 into 1.5 into 0.5. After the multiplication we got square root 6, and after finding the square root we got the area of triangle ABC is equal to 2.45 centimeter square. Students, I show you the working of square root at the end. Now students, for the area of triangle ACD, firstly we will find out the value of S. So S is equal to C plus D plus E over 2. Now we will put the value of C, D and E. 3 plus 1.5 plus 3.5 over 2. Addition of 3 numbers we got 8 over 2. Then S is equal to 4 centimeter. Now students, for area of triangle ACD we will write Hero's formula, square root S into S minus C into S minus D into S minus E. Now by putting the values of S, C, D and E, square root 4 into 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 1.5 into 4 minus 3.5. After the subtraction we have square root 4 into 1 into 2.5 into 0.5. After the multiplication we got square root 5. After taking the square root we got answer 2.24 centimeter square. As you can see students, I told you in last question that for the area of quadrilateral ABCD we have to find out the area of triangle ABC plus triangle ACD. We already find the areas of both triangles, then we will add the areas of both triangles to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here is our area of triangle ABC 2.45 centimeter square plus area of triangle ACD we have 2.24 centimeter square. By adding both areas we got the answer which is 4.69 centimeter square, which is the area of quadrilateral. Now students, here is the working of finding square root for the area of triangle ABC. We have number 6. By finding its square root we will add 3 pair of zeros to it. Then 2 2s are 4. After subtraction we got 2 and a pair of 0 becomes 200. Here 44 into 4 we got 176. After the subtraction we got 24 and a pair of zeros to it. Now we have 484 into 4 we got 1936. After the subtraction we got 464 and a pair of zeros. Here we have 4889 into 9 we got 44001. After the subtraction we got 2399. Students, as you can see the division process is not ending, so we will round off the answer up to 2 decimal places. Here we got our answer which is 2.449. After the rounding off we got our answer 2.45. Now students, here is a working of square root for triangle ACD. We have our answer 5. For finding its square root we will add 3 pairs of zeros to it. 2 2s are 4. After the subtraction we got 1 and a pair of 0 to it. Here 42 into 2 we got 84. After the subtraction we got 16 and a pair of 0. 443 into 3 we got 1329. After the subtraction we got 27100. Here we have 4466 into 6 we got 26796. Students, as you can see this process is not ending, so we will round off the answer up to 2 decimal places. Here we have our answer which is 2.236. After rounding off we will got answer which is 2.24. Students, here is our question number 5. The statement is, the given figure ABCD is of a rectangle of sides 8 cm and 12 cm. E and F are midpoints of the sides BC and AD respectively. By using Pythagoras theorem and Hero's formula, find A. the areas of triangles ABE and FDC. B. the area of parallelogram AECF. Friends, before going to solve our question, firstly we will discuss the figure. Here is ABCD, a rectangle given to us. The length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter and the width of rectangle is 8 centimeter. And there are two triangles are forming in this rectangle, ABE and CDF. And here is a parallelogram present in the figure which is AECF. Students, the total length of AD is 12 meter but F is the midpoint of AD. Here BC having total length of 12 meter and E is the midpoint of BC. If we talk about the length of AF, it will 6 centimeter, as well as the length of BE is also 6 centimeter. So students, for requirement A, as you can see that measure AB line segment is equal to A. So A is equal to 8 centimeter. BE is equal to B. So B is equal to 6 centimeter. And measure AE is equal to C. Here you can see we have to find out the measure of C using our Pythagoras theorem. You all know about the Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. It means C square is equal to A square plus B square. Students, by putting values, C square is equal to 8 centimeter whole square plus 6 centimeter whole square, because 8 centimeter is the value of A and 6 centimeter is the value of B. By opening the square, we got 64 centimeter square plus 36 centimeter square. When we add both values, we got 100 centimeter square is equal to C square. By taking square root on both sides, square root of C square is equal to square root of 100 centimeter square. Now students, C square cancel with the square root, and centimeter square is also cancelled with the square root, and the square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter. So C is equal to 10 centimeter, as we can say that measure AE is equal to 10 centimeter. ABE is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we will put the values of S, A, B and C. Square root 12 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 6 into 12 minus 10. After the subtraction, we got square root 12 into 4 into 6 into 2. We got square root 576. Here is the working of square root. We got our answer, which is 24. So the area of triangle ABE is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now students, before further solution, here is our figure. Students, as you can see that triangles ABE is equal to our triangle FDC. As you can see that both triangles are same. If the measure of this triangle is 24, then measure of this triangle will be 24, because both triangles are same. So we will write this in a statement as, from the given figure, it is quite clear that area of triangle ABE and area of triangle FDC are same. So their value is also same. So we will write area of triangle ABE is equal to 24 centimeter square, as well as area of triangle FDC is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now students, to find out the area of parallelogram AECF, you have noticed that there are two triangles forming in this area. First is AFE and second is CEF. And the other point is that our triangle AFE is equal to our triangle ABE, and on other hand our triangle CEF is equal to our triangle FDC. Now students, area of parallelogram AECF is equal to area of triangle AFE plus triangle CEF. Show you in the figure. But here triangle FDC is equal to triangle CEF, and both triangles are equal to 24 centimeter square. And triangle ABE is equal to triangle AFE. Both are equal to 24 centimeter. So students, area of parallelogram AECF is equal to area of triangle AFE plus area of triangle CEF. 24 centimeter square plus 24 centimeter square, we have 48 centimeter square area of parallelogram AECF. I hope students you understand all this question very well. Take care.